Okay, so we got 12 new orders. Let's pack 4 to 5 in this video. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's get started. Okay, this is one order of tarot decks. This is one. This with this candle. Let me show you this one a little better. Look at that flash. Love it. With this deck is one. This is one, and the last unicorn is one. So let's give them a freebie. They all got a matchy little sticker. Now let's add a little tumble. I added a tumble, and now let's pack them up.